So the first question, if you do this, what you get is 4x cubed plus 4xy squared plus 3x squared. The next one you would get 15 minus 5x. The next one you would get 11xy. For number 4, you would get 14y to the third minus 14x squared y plus 12x. Number 5, you would get 63 plus 70y. Number 6, you would get 59x plus 23y plus 112. And then now we move on to the next page. This one, and then if you do that one, for number 1 we get 4, number 2 we would get 5, number 3 we would get 174. Number 4 would get 1 over 7. Number 5 would get 3. Number 6 would get 89. Number 7 would get 12. And then for the multiple choice. Kayla likes knitting. She aspires to knit a total of 7 sweaters in a week. Each sweater takes 14 balls of yarn. 1 ball of yarn is $14. If she has 112 balls of yarn but wants to make 20 sweaters, how much will she need to spend? So first we need to know how much sweaters she can make. And 14 times 8 is 112, so she can make 8 sweaters. So what we would do is that we would subtract 20 by 8. So she needs to make 12 more sweaters. But we need to know the cost. And to get the cost of a sweater, we need to make it a ratio of 1 sweater to 14 balls of yarn to $14 for 1 ball of yarn. So first we would get 12 and then multiply that by 14, which would be 168, and multiply that, which would get us 372, which would be number C. James feeds his turtle food 4 times a day, spaced evenly throughout the day. If he feeds his turtle at 6 a.m. sharp the first time, when will he feed them the 4th time? So the pattern would be 6:12 p.m., 6 p.m., and then 12 a.m. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And we want our second one, or our 4th one, which would be D, 12 a.m. Denny works at a Denny's for 4 hours each shift. He gets paid the paid minimum wage, which is $14 per hour. His dad wants him to work 7 shifts a week, but he only wants to work 4. Seeing that he gets paid every 4 weeks, what will be the difference in pay between working 4 and 7 shifts per week? So first, this is the cost of doing it per day. And then 56 times 4 would be 222. So this is each week. Then after that, we multiply that by 4, which would give us 6192. And then for 96, 98, we do the same thing. Then you would end up with A, which would be 672. Why is the sky blue? Some historians believe that the ancient Tellurians sprayed large amounts of blue smog called aquatone into the air. Scientists today tested the theory by calculating how much aquatone would have been needed to turn the sky into blue. They found out the theory was correct. 70% of the air today is made of this substance. If the ancient Tellurians used 60 million liters of aquatone, how many liters are there in the atmosphere? So we know that 60 million is 70% of the air, which means that we need to know 30% of it. And to get that, we would have to do So first we can take out A and B since they're less than 60. And they want to know the total of having 100 in there. And then we would do 60 divided by 7, 60 million divided by 7, which would be something around, if we do the math, it would be around like 85,000. So that'll be the rest out of the next. It'll be D.